5 words that, if used properly, will help you to never be poor again and to attract incredible wealth into your life. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Reminding you to be sure and subscribe to our channel. We're here 5 days a week to empower your life with the law of attraction, the latest in the mind sciences, and of course, ancient wisdom. Never be poor again. You have the ability to attract incredible wealth into your life, the life that you desire, the life that you deserve. You know, your subconscious mind has the power to bring forth either wealth or poverty. You can be as wealthy as you desire to be, or you can be as poor as a church mouse. The choice is yours, but the choice is really made by your subconscious. The good news is that you have the ability to reprogram your subconscious mind. I'm going to give you 5 words that if you will use them for an extended period of time, 28 days or so, you will literally change the programming in your subconscious mind, and you will automatically begin to attract more of what you deeply desire. Look, our beliefs come from our values, and our values are established very early on in childhood. And as we develop, our parents, our surrounding environment, our schools, our teachers, they help to formulate our beliefs. We have certain beliefs about other people. We have beliefs about certain parts of town. We have beliefs about, whether this is good or whether that is bad. And your good might be my bad, and my bad might be your good. You get it? I mean, there is no absolute good or absolute bad in that sense. It's all based on beliefs. If you believe that rich people are bad, then the chances of you becoming rich are very, very slim, because you don't want to be bad. You want to be good. So your beliefs determine your reality. That's very, very important. You need to write that down somewhere. Your beliefs. Ask yourself, what do I believe about this? What do I believe about my relationship? What do I believe about wealth? What do I believe about money? What do I believe about prosperity? What do I believe about my career? Ask yourself these questions, and ask them regularly, because your beliefs shape your reality. Beliefs lead to thoughts. Thoughts extend from beliefs. Now, thoughts have vibrational substance. They have weight. As one person says, I think Mike Dooley is his name, he says, thoughts are things. And he's right. They are things. They have vibrational weight. They have power. They have the power to change reality, especially when those thoughts are brought down from the mind into the mouth and the vocal cords, and the vibration takes place in the vocal. Look, at the vocal cords are actually vibrating the thought and creating a word. You are literally speaking the word. You are vibrating into the universe. In many of the ancient mystery texts, they talk about God speaking forth the word, or speaking forth, and creation came into existence. And so that is an analogy of what you and I do. Okay? We are microcosms of the macrocosm. So we speak the word, and creation comes into existence. What kind of creation do you desire? Do you desire a creation of poverty, or do you desire a creation of incredible happiness and wealth? So, high flyers, your thoughts then transliterate into your emotional state. People say, I'm emotionally not feeling very well right now. Well, it's important that you look at your thoughts, because your thoughts determine what your emotional state is. When you see something you don't like, you immediately begin to feel sad or angry, or you take on an emotional state. But then you project it outward through words, through language, through actions, and mostly through feelings. Neville Goddard says that feelings are the way we connect to the infinite universe. And the infinite universe reflects back those feelings to us, and that's how we manifest. That's how we get what we desire. It's incredible, but that's exactly how it works. So high flyers, how does this all work within the brain? Your brain acts as this gigantic mega computer, and it is pulling in information, it is putting out information. But you know, like a computer, whatever you program, whatever the programmer puts into that computer is what it spews out, whether it's good information or bad information. The computer is only as good as the programming going into the computer. And that's why it's so important to take control of your subconscious mind. Your brain is processing thousands of bits of information every second. Here's the good news. The good news is you have the power to reprogram your inner reality. And when you reprogram your inner reality, you automatically change your outer reality. The Emerald Tablet of Hermes says what we change inside us automatically changes the reality outside of us. Yeah, I'm excited about this. Let's take a breath. This is absolutely incredible. By the way, I want to invite you to visit miraclehypnosisonline.com and claim your 7 days absolutely free. We have over 21 specialized programs there designed to help you reshift your subconscious mind, reattune your subconscious mind to get more of what you desire out of your life. It's free. Try it for 7 days. You've got absolutely nothing to lose. It's incredible. But reprogramming your subconscious mind is the key. I'm going to give you 5 words here in just a moment. 5 words that if you use them correctly will change your life. It will help you reprogram yourself from a state of poverty to a state of incredible wealth. So high flyers, what is your mind? Nobody really knows. Your mind is more than your brain. Some people believe that we are actually somewhere else, and we are actually being projected into our bodies upon birth. And we use our brain, and we use our limbs and our energy field, but that we don't actually exist here. I don't know. All I know is nobody can tell you or show you exactly where the mind is at. The best definition I can give you is body-mind. Your body is your mind. Your energy field is your mind. And your brain is part of your mind. And you compute with language and feelings. Language and feelings, so important, because the words that you speak translate into feelings, and those feelings help you manifest exactly what you desire, the wealth that you absolutely deserve. Think about this. The words that you speak are critical. They're absolutely important. Never doubt the power of your words. When you speak, you extend inner vibration into the outer universe, the microcosmos into the macrocosmos, and the macrocosmos reflects back what you extend out, and that is manifestation. So high flyers, 92% of all of our thinking process is done with our subconscious mind. About 8% is done with the conscious mind. But it's the 8% that is the creative force. It can think up ideas. Oh, I can do this. I can try this. I can have this. I can experience this. Why don't you say it right now? I can be anything I choose. I can be. I am. I choose to be. You see, whatever you choose to be, the amount of money in your wallet, whatever it is, it's done through your conscious mind, but then it sends a message back to your subconscious mind, and your subconscious mind either says, yes, I believe that. I agree with that. And it acts upon it. It acts upon it, and it creates beliefs around it. And those beliefs turn into thoughts, and those thoughts turn into feelings, and feelings turn into manifestation. Or your subconscious mind goes, hell no, I don't believe that. That's never going to happen to me. I've tried that too many times. It's never going to change. I've always been poor. I'm never going to have money. I'm never going to win the lottery. I'm never going to have a high-paying career. You see, you can go on and on and on, and then you can come up with the reasons why. I'm too old, I'm too young, I'm too tall, I'm too thin, I'm too fat, I'm too bald. It goes on and on forever. These are called negative thoughts or counter intentions. And these are the thoughts, high flyers, that must be changed in order to bring about manifestation into your life. So high flyers, the easiest way to explain this is that consciousness must be in alignment with subconsciousness. There can't be a discrepancy there. Subconscious can't believe this and conscious believe that. It doesn't work that way. They must be in alignment. I remember Wayne Dyer talking about writing books, and he was prolific. He wrote many, many books, and I highly recommend you read all of his books. But he says, I don't have any trouble writing because I don't have any blocks. I don't have any counter thoughts. I don't have any, what if people don't like this? Or what if they don't want to read this? Or what if it isn't exciting to them? I don't have any of that. He said that. And so he didn't have these blocks. And so he wrote, and he wrote, and he wrote. And he sold millions and millions and millions of books. But many people have counter thoughts. That's why they have a book that they've never finished. That's why they have a script that they've never produced. You see, they have blockages. And so unless those blockages are taken on with these 5 words, the chances of being where you're at or being in your present state are greater than being in the state that you desire. Wealth, prosperity, abundance. Here are 5 words. Are you ready? First word, write it down. Love. You must absolutely love money. You must love everything about money. You must love wealth. You must love prosperity. You must love the vibration of money. You must have a love for good things in life. Now, I don't particularly think about, oh, I love money, but I love doing good things for my family. And so earning money and lots of it is important to me because it allows me to take care of my family in the way that I believe they deserve to be taken care of. So think about love. First word is love. You don't need to say, I am love, I attract love, just love. Because if you say love, what's there to argue with? What's there for your subconscious mind to say, I don't believe that? Just say love. And whatever comes to your mind, whatever good feelings, good thoughts, good pictures come into your mind when you say the word love, let them come into your mind. Passion. I have never met anyone who was wealthy who didn't have passion. I have never met anyone who made a lot of money who wasn't passionate about doing it, about creating, about building, about changing. Passion. So this is a key word. So you say the word love. You say the word passion. And you think about, what is it like? What do I feel like when I'm passionate? When I'm really passionate about something, when I'm really excited about something, when I'm really motivated about something, What am I really passionate about? The next word is wealth. I don't know what wealth means to you. Wealth to you might mean $1,000 a day. Wealth to someone else might mean $10,000 a day. To someone else, it might mean $100,000 a day. Just think of what it's like to enjoy wealth. Don't say I am wealthy. Don't put anything in there that your subconscious mind can argue with. Just say wealth. So the first word, love. Passion. I love being passionate. I am passionate about being wealthy. Do you see how each word leads to the other? This has been very well thought out. Health. Hey, all the money in Fort Knox won't help me if I'm sick. I've got to have a body that's healthy in order to enjoy it. So health. What does health feel like? What does it look like? What does it sound like? What does it eat like? You know, all these kinds of things. So say the word as you're falling asleep. Love, passion, wealth, health, and then summarize it all up. Final word, success. If you will say these 5 words as you fall asleep or during meditation, every day for 28 days, I am absolutely convinced you will see remarkable, astonishing changes in your life. Unbelievable changes. Love, passion, wealth, health, success. Those 5 words. You don't have to say anything with them. You don't have to attach them to an affirmation, because sometimes your brain, your subconscious mind, is so locked into counter intentions, it'll argue against those affirmations. So just say the word and feel the feeling and see the picture and let it go at that. Love, passion, wealth, health, success. Love, passion, wealth, health, success. Oh yeah. See it clearly. Feel it clearly. These words will counter your outdated beliefs. They will help you to reprogram your subconscious mind. Again, I invite you to visit us at miraclehypnosisonline.com to claim your free 7 days. Free 7 days. It's on us to try out our programs. We have over 21 programs, and we're adding at least 2 programs every month. It's incredible. Come and join us. You have a great day, because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.